Let me guess, you clicked on this video today because you need help filling out your FAFSA. Well, I have some great news for you. Did you know that billions of dollars of financial aid go unclaimed every single year? Yes, you heard that right. And if you want your chunk of that change, stay tuned because I have some awesome FAFSA tips for you to use today. I'm Sarah Luna, and this is what I learned in college. First of all, let's address the obvious. Filling out the FAFSA can be a little bit intimidating, but fear not, I am here to help you navigate through the process and give you tips and tricks to make it a lot faster for you. Now, before you start, you're going to want to gather all of the necessary documents that you'll need, such as your social security number, tax returns, and any other financial information that will be required for your situation, such as your parents' social security numbers if you are a dependent student, your current balances of cash, savings, and checking accounts, and your net worth of investments, businesses, and farms, if that applies. Next, you're going to want to go to studentaid.gov and create what is called an FSA ID account. So this account will be used to fill out your FAFSA. It is the way that the U.S. Department of Education identifies you as a student. Next, you're going to want to familiarize yourself with the eligibility requirements to ensure that you will qualify for aid. A good way to check and see how much aid that you may be eligible to receive is to use the U.S. Department of Education's Student Aid Estimator. I'll put a link down in the description for your convenience. Remember, accuracy is key when filling out the form, so make sure you take your time and double check everything. Little things can be easy to miss, especially when you're in a hurry to get into college. Another tip that I'd like to share is that the earlier you file your FAFSA, the more aid that you could potentially get. For instance, October 1st is the opening date every year for the FAFSA application. So you're going to want to fill out your application as close to October 1st as possible. The later you wait, the more your chances are that you won't get the package that you deserve. The deadline every year to fill out your FAFSA is June 30th, so make sure you get it in before that date. By beating the deadlines, you open up a world of opportunities for grants, scholarships, and loans that could definitely ease your burden when it comes to paying for college. Another fact that is not really widely known is that financial aid is not only for low-income families. Regardless of your financial situation, filling out the FAFSA is a crucial step in proving your income and proving your eligibility for financial aid. Sometimes schools just want you to fill out the FAFSA just so you can prove that you are eligible for something that they offer. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take advantage of the resources that might be available to you. Make sure you fill out the FAFSA as accurately and as quickly as possible. Stay informed, stay proactive, and watch your financial burdens be relieved. If you found these tips helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos on navigating your academic journey. If it turns out that you need more help with filling out your FAFSA, go ahead and visit studentaid.gov. Also, let me know in the comments if you'd like me to create a step-by-step FAFSA demonstration on this channel. Again, my name is Sarah Luna, and happy navigating.